Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my worthy listeners and viewers. I am here in front of you to share an important information about a book which I have compiled to the benefit of all the teachers as well as students who are planning to appear in 2025 May-June exams of English Language 1123. As you know that Cambridge examiners changed the complete syllabus of 1123 and they converted it mostly to IGCSE. Now there were no past papers to practice from except the sample paper of 2024. Many teachers were facing difficulty as to how to give the chance to help their students practice from the past papers. Therefore, with the grace of Almighty Allah, I tried hard and with the assistance of some of my students who were following my instructions and they were attempting regular class assignments, I compiled a book which completely covers the syllabus, the latest syllabus of English Language 1123. This book comprises of around 280 pages. As far as the index of this book is concerned, I will be sharing its detail with you on the screen. Then the cover page will give you information about the parts which are included in this book. And the most important thing is that this book comprises sample answers of A-star holders. All the samples which I included in this book before the result was declared, honestly speaking, 50% of my students were awarded A's and A-stars in 2024 exams. So you can see that reading these example passages, example answers, especially of directed writing, narrative essay, and descriptive essay, they are going to be of utmost benefit and importance to all those students who are now going to appear in their exams. And the most important news and information is that I have also compiled the answer key of the comprehension passages which were shared, which were included in this book. There are innumerable sample passages which have been completely adjusted according to the new pattern. Therefore, my students, those people who are not yet my students, honestly speaking, this will be a wonderful book. This will be a wonderful workbook to practice before you sit for your exams. I hope you would find this book very, very useful. And I will be sharing the contact number from where you can purchase this book. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.